Sharp to be my razor man. I want a clean shaven man. I want a...
Hello. Today I wanted to use my WECK SEXTOBLADE. I'm going to call it a straight razor because that's how it was first sold. It's one of the original replaceable blade straight razors. We would probably call it a shavette now, but the jury's out on that. I have a barber who's retired who had some old WECK blades sitting around, and so I was curious how the old blades match up to the blades I'm usually using now. I like the Persona blades. They seem to be the sharpest and the sturdiest. But let's, I'm not sure how old these blades are. They may be 25, 30 years old. Not sure, but let's see how they do. And I'm using Van Hagen Luxury soap, which is one of my favorites. I'm using their boar brush, which is pretty good, especially for the price. And let's see what we got here. First pass, very nice. mowed that hair down like nothing. So I'll finish my shave and give you my final report. So like always, a terrific shave with my WECK. Old blades still hold up. So the time that they bought these, 50 cents for 5 blades was 10 cents a blade. So it must be fairly old, but they still work, and I can get several shaves out of one blade. Usually with this. So if you're in an antique store and you come across one of the old WECK blade, SEXTOBLADEs, pick it up. You're basically giving yourself a straight razor shave. You get a shave as good as your technique is. My wife, of all my aftershaves, seems to like Aquavelva Musk. So that's what I'm going to finish off with now. And to show what a good shave I've gotten, this has got a good amount of alcohol in it, but I really don't feel much of a sting or whatever. So, irritation free. Great shave. Thumbs up to the old WECK SEXTOBLADE. As good as a straight razor. Blades are available from a number of companies now, even though E.J. WECK & Sons is long gone. Cheap shaver out.